Hi guys, Reborn Love Sophia here, and it's part 2 of my my random acts of kindness. Put that in the bin for her. Right, and I'm going to do the dusting now. Really nice and shiny for her. So I'm just going to put the camera here so that you can see that I'm actually doing it. What's in there? Oh, rocks. Nice. And then, really? I think I might dust this for her as well. And under here, so just make sure I've done it properly. And then just got this one as well. I don't know if you can see very well, but there. And I think I might have used slightly too much. A bit. Because it's done extra well. She's going to be so pleased when she finds out. I think I might do this more often actually, it's quite fun thinking that she's going to be seeing me. Got this, I made it for her when I was like in year 2. She quite kept it, so these are like scented stuff, they smell really nice. So that's basically all of her dusting. I think I've got this one to do as well. Picture of my granddad. He passed away, and it's obviously Valentine's Day today, so she's probably quite upset to show you the picture. So he's here. The shame, he died like a week after, well, it was like a week before my brother's first birthday. Which was a real shame, and then my mum got a bit funny after that, and with my grandmother. So, I don't know how to do it for that one. Literally until she like puts her hand up. Oh, that's amazing. And then I'm going to plump all of her cushions for her. Put the camera. Oh, this one hasn't been done for a while. There we go. And then I'm going to clean the sink and stuff. Oh, my uncle's in the bathroom. So, just do the little bathroom. He's the one washing the bath, so I'm going to clean that up after him. I think we'll have to do 3 parts now because I'm going to do loads just to help. can do so. A bit like that. And what I think is quite good is that I'm not just doing it to win the reborn, I'm actually doing it a little bit behind this, like grabbing this